everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button down below and click on the little bell so you can be notified from my new videos. Hi guys, happy Friday. I'm so excited it's Friday. I'm so happy it's the weekend, and this is gonna be an amazing weekend. My mom is coming to visit. We are gonna celebrate her birthday. Her birthday was on Tuesday. Hi, Mommy. So we're gonna celebrate her birthday. I'm sure me and Mom are gonna go shopping. I'm sure of it, just so you know. So I know you guys clicked on the video to see the home tour, the room tour, the dining room tour. And before we get into that, maybe you're new to my channel and maybe you haven't been around a long time, so you won't know what is really going on. We moved into this house. It will be 2 months, 3 months? I don't know, 2 or 3 months, not very long. I can't remember now. Why can't I remember? Anyways, okay, not important. 2 or 3 months we've been in this house. I have a very formal dining room set that I love, that I will not get rid of. I've mentioned this before. I have a beautiful fireplace in my dining room that is, you'll see it in the video. And I hope this video inspires you for your homes and anybody out there watching, that you can take a very formal dining room set and recreate your dining room look for the seasons, depending on what you like. I like a little touch of farmhouse in my decor that is like, I just love it. I just love it. I just love it. I love it. I love it. I love the rustic wood element of farmhouse and the like weathered look to it. And I also think that that screams fall. For me, anything weathered like that gives me a fall sense. And also, I've decorated most of my home in very traditional fall colors, but I've done different colors and different kind of themes and vibes throughout the house. So as we get really close to fall, I am gonna start showing you each room one by one, and then I will do a full home tour video so you can see that how the house looks from start to finish, like from the entrance all the way through, and you'll have a better idea of what my house looks like for fall. And I mean, it is decked out decked out for fall. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking now and let's turn the camera around, and I'll take you through the room and I'll show you everything that I've done, and you'll see that it all ties in together very nicely. Okay guys, come on. Like always, we could never have a video without Miss Mia. She is sitting real pretty on the carpet. She knows she's not really allowed in this room, but we'll leave her there. She looks adorable, and hopefully she won't bark. Okay guys, so this is a view of what you see when you come in my house from the hallway. This is my dining room. I'm gonna go in closer and show you everything all together. Right here on the floor, you will see these 2 candle holders. I've had these candle holders for a while now, and I just took some candle rings from Walmart and placed them there, and then these really nice candles that I got at the dollar store. And then over here, this is like my little bar cart, but what happened to it is when in the move, the mirror on it, the mirror on the tops and the bottom of it broke. So I just put a piece of plywood and I added, it's actually contact paper. But anyways, enough of that. This is a flower arrangement I made with using all Dollar Tree stuff, and it's in this pretty candle holder, so I thought it looked good there. And then this is a set of 3 candle holders that I just added some pumpkins to the top. I had them and I figured, okay, why not use them? Okay, and then you pan this way And you will see on either side of my hutch, starting here, there is this little mirror. I have two of them on either side. I just added a little wreath to it with a little bit of ribbon, nothing too over the top. It's just a ribbon. And then there's my hutch. Okay, and there you can see both mirrors on either side of the hutch. This is the centerpiece I made yesterday. I showed this video on YouTube. So if you guys are new and you want me to link it, I'll link it at the end of this video. And there's my hutch. I'm gonna go close, panning close. There's the top of the hutch. I didn't do too much, but I thought the sunflowers tied in really nice with the two little sunflower wreaths on the mirror. So I wanted to add that touch. On this side here, you'll see my fireplace. It's an electric fireplace that you just plug in. I've had it for years and years and years. And I showed a decorate with me video on this. Love this painting so much. It's really old, guys. My God, it's really old. And if you haven't seen the video, these are two glam pumpkins that I had. And I just, ooh, you can see the base. There, you can see it there better. There's the mantle, all decorated. I think it looks really cute. It does look nice. It's very simple. And then on those Hobby Lobby wall sconces, I just added a little pick and a little ribbon hanging down. And I think all together it looks really cute. So there it is in its entirety. And I'm going to show you guys a nighttime view with the fireplace on. Okay, let's turn this way. And I'll just give you a pan around. You can see the table. And there's the arrangement. Hey guys, on this little table here, it's this little tiny antique table I have. You can see it there. Love this table. I just took two of my dining room chairs and I placed one of these really blingy pillows on either side. I love these because you need a little sparkle in your life. I got my Bath and Body Works utmost favorite candle going. I mean, one of my favorite candles. I just added this little pumpkin and this really cute, really pretty arrangement that I had. It's got some feathers in it, and then you can see the other pillow right there. So let me pan back and you can see it. And guys, if you're wondering, you'll see this kind of plaid throughout the house. I have a lot of them throughout the house, which ties in here and there. See it there. So that's just like it's in a nook by the window. So I just placed the two chairs and the two pillows, and that's it. And I have a little lamp, and I know the lighting is crazy because it's another look right here. This is what you see from the hallway. I think it looks really cute. I think it turned out really nice. And I think the fireplace just gives it a nice touch. I like my chandelier. I know a lot of you have seen the inside of my hutch because you watched that video, but I'm just going to give you a quick overview if you haven't watched it. I love it. I love it. Guys, I love it. This is my favorite thing. I mean, I can't thank my friend enough for inspiring me to change out my hutch. I'm telling you, if it wasn't for her, I'd have it all decorated the way I used to always do it with just the plates. And this makes me so happy because I get to play with my decor. And this is so much fun. There's another view of the other side. Isn't that great? Doesn't it just screams fall? It just screams fall. I think this room truly screams fall. And I just love the top here. It just turned out so good. I love it. Those Walmart picks really did the trick, guys. And then here on my dining room table, for right now, I just have this really simple runner. I am going to switch it out to a different kind of runner, but my mom's got it, so she's going to bring it for me because I left it at her place. And then this is the dough bowl. I love it. I think it's great. It's just enough. It's simple, but when you look at it all together, it really does say, welcome to fall, welcome to my home. It's got such a cozy and warm and welcoming vibe. And that's what I really, really wanted for this year because I'm loving, loving all the traditional colors. That is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gives you some inspiration to take elements, different elements of design and decor. Take farmhouse and take a Dollar Tree and take high-end stuff like my mercury glass stuff and take it and mix it all together. Take a really traditional dining room set or take any dining room set you guys have, and with a little bit of decor and some creativity, you can create anything. This was so simple and so easy. I mean, so easy, guys. I hope this inspired you to do something awesome in your house. I love, love, love my loyal subscribers so very much. Guys, thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for everything. I cannot thank you enough. I will always thank you. I will always thank you for your love and support to my channel. Oh my God. It means the world to me. You guys are the best. Hope you have an amazing, amazing weekend. And my mom's going to be here this weekend. So I'm so excited about that. We're going to celebrate her birthday. I think I already mentioned that, but hey, I'm excited. And I will see you on a Monday because we got a lot more decorating to do in this house, right? Okay, guys, I'll see you very, very soon. I love you. Have a fantastic, fantastic weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye, guys.